Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix the iOS 27 update stuck on verifying update. For example, as you all know that Apple has introduced their latest iOS 27. Now if you want to download and install that iOS 27 on your iPhone, and as you click on update, you can see that your update has been stuck on update verification. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And here you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second. And after that, you have to simply go to settings. And in settings, you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to simply turn off the airplane mode. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to the general again, and you have to click on software update, and you have to make sure that update has been started or not. If it is not started, then you have to simply wait for some time so that it can start automatically, because sometimes everyone is busy in updating the iPhone, so that's why the server has a load. So you have to wait for some time so that it can verify your update, and after verification your download can be started. Moreover, you can also restart your iPhone so that any of the burden on the iPhone can be removed so that it can start your update. So you have to wait for some time, and after wait, you can simply check for your software update whether it is working well or not. So if you are downloading and installing the beta version of the iOS 27, then it will take a time, so you have to wait for more time. So you have to make sure about that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.